True Jamaican vibes, fire Reid. So guys, welcome back to the channel. So today my location is in Black River, St. Elizabeth. Yeah man, a day after the hurricane. Think it's burial, yeah man. So take a tour of the Black River area. See a lot of water on your left. So I'm just giving an update of our beautiful Jamaica, showing you what go on. If you decide to come to Jamaica after the hurricane, you have an understanding how the place set up. So on light pole breakdown, you see a lot of utility wires down in Black River, St. Elizabeth. Yeah man. Big up on yourself, anyone now watch from me yard and abroad, you can big up on yourself. And also indicate where you're watching from. Yeah man, take the time out for showing what go on now. St. Elizabeth. Can see like some part of the bridge kinda rupture. Yeah man, but the bridge still up and running. Same way. You know, it's a Black River have some antique building. I'm going to see if none of them rooftop come off. See how the town set up same way. So I'm very close to the tax office. Yeah, remember here so it's a one-way road. So you know a lot of people will come out and do them shopping and things, so we have to understand, you know. First I try if it bore and come over, but you know realize it's a one-way road, you know. So you can take the other lane if you not stop on this side and go through, and the other side is much clearer. Unless you try to stop on the side here. Sometimes when we drive we have to look out of our eyes and look ahead of us. Yeah man, I see my drive boring, but I believe someone stop on the side over here, so give the benefit of the doubt. Two female rider that check out the female rider them. Yeah man, remember if you like the video free of cost. Yeah man, give it a big thumbs up. Yeah man, I'm talking to you. I know see I watch by your smartphone. So like the video man, give it a big thumbs up. Share it to other people so they can see what take place in Jamaica after Jamaica being hit by this hurricane. Yeah man, St. Elizabeth. Some other part of St. Elizabeth not normal, my people. It not normal. telling you what I go on. I don't know why these gentlemen keep on blowing the horn. When you see them horn there blow, some form of taxi man no can't wait none at all, you know. Don't know why them taxi people here stay so. See them building here, them old time building here still see the roof up on them same way, so maybe the storm don't really hit this side in the St. Elizabeth that much. But on the south side, like you have the Bull Savannah area, Southfield area, them place there, most of the power lines are down. House stop blow off. I tell you, say no normal, my people. It no normal. Yeah, man. So I'm giving a turn on the in-town area. Wow. The Black River Park. See a lot of trees blow down over that side. At the Black River Park area. Remember them willow tree they want to get in a cool breeze? Place over there so damage. Yeah, man. Most of the tree them over the park tear down. So as you can, you know, so me I go straight down to the Black River Hospital for so I go on, because the hospital is very important, you know. And people who are transporting people to hospital, them, if they get to watch that video, they have an idea for what go on in the area, what the place look like. So anybody who is watching from the Black River area, more fact to say St. Elizabeth, I'll tell you what going on. Remember the big over tree we used to the right at the courthouse? That big over tree that tear down. Yeah, man, it fall right at the ground. So a lot of work I have to go put in that place. A lot of work. A lot of work with people, a lot of work, a lot of work, a lot of work. Sea look calm though, you know. Over the St. Teresa, I see over there is alright. Normally you know, say over there, so them if you need an airlift from the hospital, that's where the helicopter was landed. So over there is a pretty much clean up and stuff. So thanks for watching the channel, True Jamaica.